Hey YouTube, it's Erin, the handbag housewife, and I have another unboxing for you today. But first, I wanted to do my bag of the day and show you what I'm wearing. First of all, jewelry-wise, I have this beautiful David Yurman ring in tourmaline and peridot. I found this on eBay. It's a discontinued piece, but I think it's really beautiful. I got it for a steal. I'm still wearing my grandma's bracelet and the Rigo design diamond tennis bracelet, as well as my engagement / wedding set that I got to wear when I wear gold. It's made by Stoller Jewelry. And I have a necklace on it's actually from Sam's Club. I love shopping at Sam's Club for jewelry. My top, I got it from JCPenney, but it was last year, so it's not available anymore. And my bag of the day is my Coach Tabby Top Handle 20 in the color green. Remember I told you how creative Coach can be sometimes with their color names. And I've got it paired with this Dinky 19 strap and this little tiny leaf that has C's in it that was part of a bag charm that I took apart to decorate the hang tag. And then I've got the K facette strap on it from the outlet. Now remember in past videos I showed you that the quality of the printing on the K facette pieces isn't quite as nice as on the retail pieces, but when you put it with a bag that's not in that same floral pattern, it looks really nice still. Let me show you what my whole outfit looks like. So you can see the Tabby top handle is a really nice crossbody length with the K facette novelty strap. I like it because it hangs down around my hip level, and I really like this combo. Even though it's floral on floral, I think it somehow works. Let me know what you think. All right, so to the unbagging. This concerns me. This is an item I bought off Depop. Now Depop is a great place to find things that are hard to find, as well as Vestiaire Collective, but they don't do the authentication like Vestiaire Collective does. So I don't know that I would buy any nylon Longchamp extra small from Depop, but this is a piece that's sort of hard to find, and I also haven't seen it faked. So let me unwrap it. At least she kept it from getting wet, I guess. It is in a Sheen bag. It's in a Zara dust bag. Oh my. Some of the bags don't come with dust bags, and that's fine. I don't keep them in the dust bag anyway. I just set them on the dust bag. Okay, so it still has tags attached, so that's awesome. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Ooh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Joshy, if you're listening, I can tell what you meant about how the PVC actually feels good. Okay, so this is the Longchamp LGP line. It's in PVC, so it's clear. And so you can maybe get away with taking it to sporting events since it's see-through. And I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can examine it a little closer. Okay, first I gotta smell it. I smell the leather a little bit. I don't see any defects on the leather, no scuffs. And again, this is from the UK. She sent it Royal Mail and it came surprisingly fast. It's got the original price tag on it from Harrods, and it does not look like it's been taken off and replaced. Nope, it's still on there firmly. Let me look inside. Sounds like a nice zipper, doesn't it? What is it that they call it whenever you just make noises? And it's enjoyable. I don't know what that's called, but it's a nice sounding zipper. So she stuffed the bag. Stuffing doesn't smell bad. That's good news. And unlike the last bag, I did get the strap, and I got the little card which came with the last one. I'm looking inside for any authentication tags. I think I remember from Joshy's video, it didn't come with the authentication tag inside on this one because you'd be able to see it. So let me put the little strap on. That sounds a little dirty. It's not meant to be. Okay, she's totally empty. I think it would be better if she had innards, but she doesn't for now. So there it is. Let me look at the crossbody strap. It looks like, oh my gosh, it still has plastic on it. These little studs have plastic on them. Huh. I guess I'll have to peel that off somehow. I mean, they're really well protected. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this color is navy. It has a white button. It has the silver hardware. Here's the silver Longchamp zipper pull. And you can see it has Longchamp written all over it in a sort of segmented way. I love it. I'm happy with it. I don't know that I'll use this one a whole bunch because I don't want to have people looking inside my bag, but this would be really fun going to the pool. I could throw it in a tote, not worry about it, and it would be just great for that. And maybe a beach situation if I ever get to go to a beach again. Anyway, let me know what you think. I say I give it a thumbs up. Would you give me a thumbs up? And please subscribe to my channel, The Handbag Housewife. Thank you.